Namaste. I'm Swami Yadavatmananda. I'm working as assistant to our headmaster Swami Kalyaneshanandaji, who is the headmaster of our school. So our school is Kamarpukur Ramakrishna Mission Multi-Purpose School. So chemistry lab, I had the contact from Mommy through our headquarters when Swamiji was there. I told Mommy, this is my plan, can you execute this? Without a second thought, yes Mora, I can do it for you. And out of all the labs, only the chemistry lab has come, the outcome was very best. What I designed exactly same the design as came. Especially as you mentioned that periodic table. I told Mr. Momi that I want a periodic table printed on the almirahs, and I gave the design. Comparing to other laboratories, Labkafe never took much time, and I had the least communication. But Labkafe is the only team. In 1.5 months they completed. They took the design. In 1.5 months they delivered the product. Mr. Mohammed very nicely explained my idea to the design team. They sent me the 3D drawing of the lab. I accepted. They demonstrated. Install the lab and ready. Even though the more visitors they come, they see all our labs. Lastly, they go to the chemistry lab and they gave certificate to the chemistry lab only. The more out of all the labs, chemistry lab is more attractive. So my thank you to Labkafe and all the Mr. Mumit, the design team, your technical team. So very beautifully you executed team, and my congratulations, my prayers to all of your Labkafe team. Okay? Yes. I'm very satisfied with Labkafe. I strongly recommend Labkafe to all schools. Yes? Yes. Thank you very much.